Jamaican Red Peas Soup we're going to make. Yes. And this is the entire family gonna have some soup.
Boss lady Fiona, who that knocking at the window? Hey, two pattern knocks on your bingo. You know the style, boss lady Fiona.
Get some brown guys. Ketchup with fire. Cook some nice soup today. So yes guys, this is how we catch up fire. Right? And we're using this little brown we call these, we just keep feed it so it don't out. Yeah. Ketchup. So we're gonna scald the salt beef to reduce some of the salt. Okay. So look guys, see? I'm gonna put them in this pot. Yeah. Reduce some of the salt. Okay. Alright. Alright. So that one boil. So in the meantime now what I'm gonna do is put to the pot. And putting the pot is when you use the ashes. The ashes from the alright guys, what I'm gonna use is some ashes. And bear in mind this is not hot, this is cold, so don't try it if it is hot though. Alright, so first you have to wet the pot. Right? Wet the pot and you go like this. Put to the pot. Alright. Probably have to use some of this. Some ashes guys, put it right here and make a paste like a paste. Show you how we do the thing. Alright, so you make a paste like a and this will prevent your pot from blacking up your pot, make it easier to wash when you finish with it. Alright. So when the flame catch it, it's gonna look like that pattern there. Jamaican Red Peas Soup we're going to make. Yes. And this is the entire family gonna have some soup. this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hand. Alright guys, so we have the yellow yam, sweet potato, Irish, carrot, chocho, red peas of course, flour, cornmeal. We're going to mix the flour and the cornmeal together to make our dumpling with the salt. We have our flavored cock soup here and our pumpkin soup. And this is a coconut milk right here. Garlic. And we have a few okra, pimento seed, a little piece of pumpkin, scallion, thyme. All this is going to be in the description as well. Okay? So first thing first, we are going to salt out the peas. Alright, so this is 3 cups. Okay. Alright, we're gonna wash the peas and then we're gonna put them in our pot. Okay, let me just drain up. This is our red peas right here. So guys, we're gonna sink the peas by adding some cold water right now. Alright. You see the peas sink? Yeah. So we are going to 15 minutes cook ahead. And we're just gonna add our salt beef. Salt beef, okay? See? Everything good. So after 15 minutes of cooking my red peas, I add my salt beef, guys. And you notice I have cooked it separately. Scald out some of the salt, as I said earlier. Yeah. Okay, me Irish them, guys. Smoke a kill me. Yellow yam, sweet potato, Irish, and then we're going to put in our flour, one go. Alright. Red peas beef soup, guys, we're making. Alright, so a bit flour here. You're gonna need make me flour right now. I'm gonna make some spinners too with, like I'll use this make some spinners. So I'm gonna make we dumpling right now. Put them in. it there, guys. I'm gonna put in our flour now, guys. Yeah, red pea soup. All of the ingredients is gonna look in the description, guys. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a like and do subscribe if you're not yet part of the family. Alright, look at spinners. Spinners, guys, spinners. So them pretty. Alright. Make some spinners, you know. Okay. Soft. Soft, very soft, guys. You see that? Melting. Alright, so we're gonna add our noodles, which is cock flavored soup mix, cock soup, and this is the pumpkin flavor. So we're gonna use these two. Okay. What we're gonna do is gonna sieve them, right? Story in it. And you stir it in again. So funny quality I soup there. The texture of the soup. Not finished yet, guys. We don't want to get the. I don't love the noodles, so I always remove my noodles. You could put them if you want, okay? Carrots. Carrots. Scallion and thyme, guys. We have garlic as well, hot pepper, okra, and finally pimento seed. Alright, we're not finished yet. We still have to use one coconut milk right here. Mix it. Milk, guys, and I'm using the milk powder, the powder coconut milk. Okay, so I'm mixing it before I add it to my soup, just like that. Okay, look at the texture of this soup, guys. The body, we would say, rich. Alright, and we will cover it and make it simmer some more. Straight from BLFTv, guys, cooking here. Salt beef, red peas soup, right? Very rich and nice. Look at this. Rich, nice thick soup. Not too thick, not thin neither. Yeah, straight from out of BLFTv. Yeah. Take a close shot. Remember to give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. So we have all with okra. Look one and something like that. We have Irish, yam, everything mellowed on in nice soup here, guys. Oh, everybody has soup. Yeah. Them eat a fear of my leg side. I'll tell you how you run.
That's enough spinners time.
Yeah?
That's enough spinners.
I believe. Whenever you cry, then come and talk about stand up yourself. Okay, me. Irish them guys. Smoke a kill me though.
Boss lady Fiona, who that knocking at a window? Hey, two pot of knocks on your bingo. You know the style, Boss lady Fiona.